Many YouTubers including Gyan Therapy, Venom Stick and Glowcose have criticized this watch for its numerous flaws. It has received serious backlash and it is clear that many people are questioning whether it is even worth considering. Let us get straight to the point. The Layers Anarc Watch is priced at Rs 6999, which is about $84, and it claims to be a premium smartwatch. It boasts features like 1.85-inch AMOLED display and health tracking options, but does it actually deliver on those promises? While it may look appealing with its stainless steel design, which is really unique, early reviews have shown that it falls flat compared to better known brands. The accuracy of its health tracking is highly questionable, making it hard to trust. If you are thinking about buying this, think again. It might not be reliable at all. Now let us turn our attention to Tech Burner. Recently, he uploaded a new video titled "The Real Truth About My Watch," which has received 74k likes and 71k dislikes. The comments on his video are overwhelmingly negative and do not support him at all. After Rohit Rajgupta had the courage to criticize the Layers Anarc Watch, Tech Burner retaliated by filing a copyright strike against him. This cowardly move forced Gupta to take down his video and reveal Tech Burner's true colors. He cares more about silencing criticisms than engaging in honest discussions. This incident has severely damaged Tech Burner's reputation. Instead of fostering healthy conversation, he chose aggressive tactics that have alienated many viewers. People are justifiably outraged by his actions, seeing them as an attempt to stifle free speech and manipulate public opinions. In conclusion, while the Layers Anarc Watch may seem like an attractive option at first glance, it is crucial to question whether it truly lives up to its promises. As for Tech Burner, this controversy serves as a harsh reminder of what happens when personal interests take priority over genuine communication with the community. Many say that his downfall has started, but we don't know it yet because this might be a turning point for him, and he may again come back with more definement and more clarity, as well as he can refund the customer who are not satisfied or who have received the default packages, and he can simply just take back the copyright strike against Satyajit Gupta, or he can just collaborate with him, or he can just not use the marketing tactics and just make his watch better. That way he will not need to silence anyone at all. And let's just hope he will get fine, and all the best to him. That's all we wish. Thank you for joining this critical discussion. Stay informed and make wise choices. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and let us know what you feel in the comments below.